Good morning, students. I hope everyone's doing fine. The class today, as you know, is about material things. Remember that we discussed in class about the different materials and where do they come from. We have, for example, the gold. The gold comes from the ground, and with the gold we make jewelry. Do you know the word jewelry? Jewelry could be a watch, could be a ring, could be earrings. Those could be jewelry. And we have jewelry made of gold. As well, we have jewelry made of silver or made of plastic or made of copper, some other different materials that we have to make some jewelry. Let's see another example. For instance, we have a pencil. A pencil comes from the wood, and the wood comes from the trees. Let's make some sentences. The jewelry is made of gold. The gold comes from the ground. The pencil is made of wood. The wood comes from the trees. Let's look at the page that I put in the Mi Academic platform for you. This page, I would like you to work on it. This is coming upside down, but I think you won't have any problem doing it. We have some materials like magazine, notebook, book, come from paper. The CD box, the pen, the shopping bag, where do they come from? The sweater, the hat, the scarf, where did they come from? The bridge, the desk, the pencil, where did they come from? The bottle, the window, the ball, the bike, the knife, and the keys. You have 2 minutes to solve the page. If you have any question, you can do it at the end. We can use the written chat to communicate each other in order to avoid interruptions to the class. Okay, let's go to page number 49 in your student book. Here, exercise number 11. In activity 11, you have to read and choose the right words. Think again about the sentences from the warm-up that we had. The pencil comes from the wood comes from the trees. The jewelry comes from the gold comes from the ground. Number 1 says paper and cardboard are made from wood, wool, or metal. Choose the right word, please. Number 2, gold comes from animals, the ground, trees. Number 3, wood comes from ground, trees, or flowers. Number 4, fur comes from trees, sand, or animals. Number 5, glass is made from leaves, sand, or wood. Number 6, wool comes from a sheep, cow, or bear. Okay, let's go to the workbook. Page number 49. Activity number 12. Read and change one letter to write a new word. This is an exercise that we've done in class, and I'm pretty sure you didn't have any problem to doing it. But now I am asking you to write it in your notebooks. Okay, we have part of a body on the front of our head. It's the face. A competition to see who is the fastest is a race. Something to eat. You change one letter. Good, kind. A number between 8 and 10. My things, something I have. A straight mark on a page or drawing. The opposite of don't like. Where do you? That's a pretty common question that you may be having asked for. Where do you? In a place like a house, in a place that you call home. The opposite of hate. We do this with our body when we dance. Gold is more or less expensive than silver. The past of where, the opposite of play, part of a sentence. We get this material from trees. We get this material from sheep. And somewhere we can go to swim. Okay, now write the clues for the puzzle. We have the clue from well, the opposite of badly. Okay, what for a wall? What for a ball? What for tall? What for dog? And what for walk? Write them in your notebook also. Okay, you have 2 minutes for this exercise. Okay, let's check the exercises. Exercise number 13. Let's see your answers. Okay, let's go to the other exercise because you have your own answers for that. I will check them when you send them. You can send them to my email lestupinan@lapresentacion.edu.es. In exercise number 14, the instruction says find 8 mistakes in the text. Glog's from a different world. He's doing a project about Earth, and there are a lot of mistakes. Can you help him correct his homework? People on Earth use things that are made of different materials. Plastic, wood, and dictionaries are all different materials. Bottles are made of glass or paper. Tables and chairs can be made of fog, clouds, or metal. People on Earth like reading books, comic books, and volcanoes. These are made of cardboard and wool. Earth people get wood from parrots. I am going to visit Earth next November. I want to get a nice big bracelet made of water. I can wear it when I go to Paris. Now write the text correctly. Write it in your notebook, please. Okay, students, I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, we can use the chat. Don't worry for sending me this right now. You have one day to do it. You can upload your homework until tomorrow. You can make a picture of it and upload it to the page or to my email.